think anything's better than what it was, mate.
Right past the thing.
Do you want me to align it there?
Yeah.
That is aligned, it's perfect. Oh.
But it won't be now.
That's aligned here. I'm in.
What do you look like?
I'm fine, mate.
You want to go before?
Yeah, just a fraction more, mate. You'd watch that thing off, mate. I tell you what though, it was several mil, wasn't it, off square?
Way off. What's it like fit-wise? Yeah.
It's good. It's good for me.
Casting with it.
Yeah. It's
I'm well on this side, I'm fine this side.
it needs to be built up.
That hole?
Yeah.
You know where that happens?